Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are learning about hallucinations in LLM. Now, let's start the video. Introduction. The LLMs such as ChatGPT, Gemini and other AI systems are very powerful. They are able to answer users' query, write code, summarize documents and many other tasks. However, there is one big problem. The LLMs sometimes generate false information, but they sound so correct. This problem is called hallucination. Hallucinations in LLMs. It is the generation of the false, misleading or completely fabricated information which appears confident and realistic. In simple words, we can say like this. First, the model doesn't know the user's answer. Secondly, it still generates response to user. And thirdly, the response sounds so correct, but in fact it is totally wrong. Therefore, hallucination occurs if an AI produces an answer which is factually incorrect but presented with pure confidence. Types of hallucinations. Hallucinations can be categorized into various types. The first, factual inaccuracies. This type of hallucination occurs when LLM produce incorrect or misleading facts. For example, the capital of Japan is Kyoto, which is incorrect because it is Tokyo. The second type is nonsensical responses. This type of hallucination occurs when LLM generate completely irrelevant responses to the user's input prompt. The response may lack meaningful content. The third is contextual hallucinations. This occurs when the model misunderstands the context and produces completely wrong answers. Next, logical hallucination. This type of hallucination happens when the reasoning is incorrect, even if the sentence looks logical. For example, if the question is like, can human breathe underwater without any equipment? Then the model's answer is, yes, human can adapt to breathe underwater for short durations. So this is incorrect because humans cannot breathe underwater without equipment. Here, the model generates a plausible but false statement. Causes of hallucinations. Hallucinations is not a minor problem. It can create major issues. LLM hallucinations can be caused due to various factors. These are noisy training data. If the quality of the data to train LLMs is not good or noisy, then the model does not perform accurately. Nuanced language understanding. LLMs may find difficulties in understanding the different language contexts such as cultural nuances, sarcasm, and likewise. Complex queries. If the user's prompt is very complex, the model might not respond correctly. Overfitting and underfitting. As we know that overfitting the training data can lead the model more specific, whereas underfitting can often generalize the response. Therefore, both of these methods can lead to hallucinations. Logical gaps. If the model lacks common sense or any logical reasoning on the user's question, then this can lead to hallucinations. Inherent biases. If the model inherits biases in the training data, this can also lead to hallucinations. Hence, these are some of the causes of hallucinations that we should be careful about. Preventing hallucinations. There are different methods to reduce hallucination. Some of them are using high-quality training data. If the training data is more verified and accurate, then there is less probability of hallucinations. Better prompting. We can provide better prompts. For example, if we are unsure about certain topic, then we can say, I don't know about this, please check the fact correctly. Hence, this can reduce false confident answers. Output filtering. We can implement filtering for hallucinated outputs by using factual check. Feedback mechanism. We can establish user feedback system by using techniques such as reinforcement learning, so it can continuously refine and retrain the models. Fine-tuning. Models can be continuously trained and updated with recent high quality and accurate data. Domain-specific training. We can train the model according to the specific domain such as healthcare, law, and aid experts' idea during the fine-tuning process. Therefore, it can reduce hallucination in such topics. Okay, these are some of the methods to prevent from hallucinations. However, it cannot be completely removed. Therefore, it is essential to be more cautious while using LLMs for important tasks. Implications of LLM hallucinations. Misinformation. If an LLM produces a hallucinated answer, sometimes users may believe it. Hence, it can contribute to the spread of misinformation. Trust issues. If LLMs give wrong answers confidently, user may lose trust. Legal and ethical concerns. There can be legal and ethical concerns such as who is responsible for the output generated by LLMs and so many other factors. Risk in critical domains. In the fields like healthcare, finance, law, hallucinations can lead to serious consequences. These are some of the implications of LLM hallucinations that we should be aware of. Okay, this is all for the topic hallucination. We came to know that hallucination is one of the biggest challenges in modern AI systems. Although the recent LLM systems are highly advanced, they can still generate misleading information or incorrect facts. Therefore, we should have basic knowledge of hallucination as it helps us to use AI more responsibly. That's all for today's episode. If you have learned something from this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.